So where was I? So life of a commuter. Ay, sa mo si Babisi pa ko dire. So so where was I? So I was in Ayala, and then I had a plan to like ride the Egypt, and then so I tried to check, and then I said I can't see the check, and then I was like looking at the Egypt, and then the Manung Kuya said Bugo, Bugo, Puerto Bugo. I was like, Kuya, will this daan to Gusa?
So?
Will this daan to Gusa? And then Kuya was like, oh, kung asa malabyan. Dila ka. So I went, so I said, all right, Kuya. And then I sat in the Jeep, E-Jeep, and then I waited for like 2 minutes and 2 hours before nilarga. Joke.
Muchi!
And then Muchi ba? And then
Okay.
and then so the Jeep started to how do you say it? Run. Puligid is it still run? Run. Yeah, move forward. And I was like, oh, so this is the Jeep, Kuya. Where are we?
Ikaw gulay.
Good.
Anong gulay?
Okay, like, Kuya, are we near Gusa McDonald's?
Ito?
Are we near Gusa McDonald's, Kuya? I was like, how much is the fare, Kuya, from Ayala to Gusa? And he was like, "Ganito naman, boss." I was supposed to rebut, I was supposed to like say na 20 ba rin, Kuya? I was supposed to say that, but if it's a line, it's kind of hard to explain. So I just said, all right, Kuya, here's 20.
Nagpuan ka no.
Here's, ano ko siya nga?
Magsikad ka.
Ano ko siya nga? All right, Kuya, here's 20. Ano siya? Ano yun, Kuya nga? Actually, 20, eh. Pag Bisaya, dira. Ano siya sa ko,